also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, is a Hindu festival celebrating the annual arrival of Hindu god Ganesha to earth from his celestial abode. The festival is marked with the installation of Ganesha clay murti privately in homes and publicly on elaborated pandal. The festival ends on the 10th day after start, when the idol is carried in a public procession with the music and group chanting, then immersed in a nearby body of water such as river or sea, called Visarjana. As per Hindu mythology, Ganesha is the lord of wisdom, prosperity and good fortune. As we all are ready to celebrate this big auspicious day, let's rewind what are the 7 different avatars of Lord Ganesha. The first one, Vakratunda. The first avatar of Lord Ganesha is known for defeating the demon Matsara and restoring the 3 worlds and God's kingdom lost glory. Ekdanta is the second avatar of Lord Ganesha. Eka means Maya and Danta means truth. The second avatar of Bappa sheds supreme truth. The third is Gajanana. Ganesha, also known as Gajanan. Gajanan means elephant's head. As per Hindu mythology, Gaj means elephant and Anan means face. It was said that Lord Ganesha took this avatar to fight greediness in the world. Fourth, Lambodara. Lord Ganesha took this avatar to fight Krodhasura. It was believed that Krodhasura, known as the demon of anger, and Bappa wanted to relieve the world from his anger, so he fought with him. Vignaraj. It is considered one of the most important and popular avatar of Lord Ganesha. Vigna means obstacle, and Bappa in this avatar protects from all the obstacles and leads us to the path of success. Krishna Pingaksha. It denotes a dark complexion, a smoky complexion and dark eyes. It symbolizes Lord Ganesha, who can see through the earth and clouds and free everyone from the pain. Seventh and the last one is Mahodara. Mahodara is the Lord Ganesha's 7th avatar and he represents forgiveness of all the sins. According to Hindu mythology, Mahodara faced the demon of delusion called Mahasura and forgave him for all the sins before sending him into the Patal. So let's welcome Bappa with joy, prosperity and double enthusiasm. And here I am wishing you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganpati Bappa Moria.